Hello and a warm welcome to you guys and girls. Today I'm going to explain you a very interesting thing that if you have lost your mobile phone, then no need to worry about that, because now Google itself has launched its own tracking device software known as Android Device Manager. So what is the facility here is that it does not require GPS for your phone tracking. Okay, GPS is not required in your phone, it will work even. Okay, what facility that software is providing and how I am showing you. First of all, you can trace the exact location of your phone, of your lost phone. If any SIM card is under operation, doesn't matter your SIM card or anyone is there, anyone SIM card is there, it will track it. Just it should be in network coverage. Second thing is that you can remotely lock your phone by, you can change your password, you can create password. Okay, third thing is you can remotely delete your data, you can remotely delete your data of your complete phone. Fourth thing is that you can remotely make a ring without sending any number, with high vibration and sound. So let's see guys how to do that. Okay, so for that purpose uh, the software works for Android phone only. Okay, so first of all, you have to look up for the that software called Android Device Manager. So for that purpose you have to go to Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store you just type this, that Android Device Manager, and you would find this app. Just go and select this application and install it on your mobile phone. This is by Google itself. Okay, so once you install the application, accept the terms and condition, and it will download and install. Once you install, after that just go to the icon which you would be created in the menu. This icon, just click over there and accept the terms and condition. You have to enter your Gmail email ID here and your password of that email, and sign in with that. Once you sign in, after that what you need to do is just go to settings, and in the settings you have to go there in security tab. Once you go to security tab, you have there device administrators. Go to that place, and thereafter you would find that software at that place. You have to enable checkbox this. So once you click over here, you would find this kind of option. Just accept everything and activate it. Click on activate. Once you do that, you will get a check mark here, and thereafter what you really need to is that you can when you open your software in the phone, you have this kind of option. Apart from that, suppose if you lost this phone, this should be activated, this software should be activated. Okay, suppose if you lost your phone, then what do you need to do, how can you can track? I'm showing you the main thing. First go to Google. Okay, since itself is a Google software, so what you need to do is that type in Google that Android device manager. Okay, just when you type, you will go to the first URL, it is of itself Google, and click over there. It will ask your username and password of the Google Android Device Manager, which you have used in that place. Okay, I have used on that my phone, that is T85K Kumar. Okay, enter your password. Once you enter your password and sign in, you would enter into the what the fuck is this? Okay, once you do that, you would be redirected to a page called this page. This phone will it will now trying to contact your phone. If that phone is on, any SIM card is would be there, no GPS would be on there, then still it will track your phone location, exact location. Once it track, you would have an option here to make a ring. Yeah, let's see, the phone location has been tracked. Sometime it could not be the road name cannot be known. If you would be in a very small locality, then you have got an exact area here, but the road name may not be mentioned. But if you're on the main road or the main market, your road will be your location would be listed there. You have an facility that if you click here, you automatically it will ring your phone wherever that would be. You have an option that if you click here on the lock, then what would happen that you can set your password. If your phone doesn't have any password, you can set your password from here. If you do this automatically, wherever your phone would be, it will be automatically locked. Okay guys, if you have a different password, you can change your password as well. There you can, if you click here, you would be able to read all the data on that phone without anything. So guys, it's really very important software, and which could be very much helpful for you. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you love my tutorials, just like or subscribe to my channel. I have lot much to say about technology. Already I have lot much things about web designing, web development, and hardware and networking in my YouTube channel. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.